Hello, today's video is to pinpoint the beginning of an exciting / terrifying journey. I have to build 100 miniatures. It's for current commission, and yes, it's going to take me a while. I am so used to batch painting, but when it comes to building miniatures, oh boy, I can be a bit slow. So far, over the last 8 days, I've worked 7 of them, but luckily I have found time to build 20 so far, so I am over the moon. You're probably wondering, Alex, why are you making this video? Well, I'm making this video because it's going to be a pinpoint beginning point of this journey, and then we'll probably do a follow-up video in the future of me batch painting 100 of these miniatures, and I thought it'd just be cool to kind of have a beginning part to showcase this exciting challenge. I like these sculpts. Of course, they are not Warhammer, but as I said, I can't remember, the client's going to use these as substitute for Space Marines, Imperial Guard. The Iron Core range is really cool by Dreamforge. It was like a previous Kickstarter or something, but the minis are really cool. They're like kind of Death Trooper Killzone vibes, but they look really good. I've over time have already built and painted I think 60, 70, 80, but they were like different units. You had like heavy infantry, then you had anti-tank infantry. We'll have some like images at the end of this video, but I'd like to hear what you guys think. Are you used to building loads of miniatures? Do you enjoy building miniatures? Are you used to building like near 100 infantry units? Do you think I'm a bit blank crazy at times for doing this? I'd like to hear. I actually have really enjoyed building these because at the same time I've been listening to the End in the Death Part 3 in the background in my room while building, so it's been kind of a enjoyable experience. But I'm 1 box down. I have 80 more to build now since recording this video. As you see on screen, that is the first batch of 60, I think, slight heavy infantry. They were built ages ago. While we're here, thank you to people on screen. Patrons are awesome. They help support the channel. You can check it out. I'm actually doing my first giveaway of the month for Patreon. So thank you guys because, yay, thanks for the support. And while we're here, we're going to have a look now at the 20 heavy infantry unit, which is pretty cool. The slideshow will pop up in a bit. But I kind of like the color scheme. It's kind of very industrial, basic, very, just very plain, but at the same time I like it because it just makes sense. It's very blunt and straight to the point. It's there to be used as armor and pew pew space battles. So yes, I'd just like to extend my thanks again for you, the viewer, for watching this video. If you've kind of vibed what I did, a like, a comment, a subscription, a share would be greatly appreciated. I'm Alex and I'm attempting to build 100 miniatures. Oh geez, you take care now. Goodbye.